Hey, what's going on? Josh here from the DeFi guys. And in this video, we're actually starting a brand new series where I'm showing you exactly how to go from zero to $10,000 per month with crypto. I'm going to show you the ins and the outs. I'm going to show you why this works, how it's going to work, how you can copy my exact moves, and all the risks involved. I actually attempted to start this series roughly 2 weeks ago, but the program that we were involved with unfortunately had some issues. The website went down. They had to switch servers. A lot of things happened, and now they're back up and running. And that's just the nature of business. That's the nature of the crypto industry. I know you guys are a lot of you guys are starting to get used to that. So before we start this series, and I show you exactly what to do, how to do it, how you guys are going to be able to copy my exact moves, you need to understand the risks, right? This is crypto. Anything can happen day to day. There's no project out there that is foolproof. Everything in crypto is risky. So if you're going to get in the world of crypto, just understand that. And if you don't want high risk and you want something that's lower risk, then you should probably check out my primary channel, and I will put a link in the description for that. Now, for those of you guys that do want high risk, high reward, this is going to be for you, because I'm going to show you exactly what I've done in the past, actually less than a month. It's been roughly about 18, 19 days to go from zero to generating well over $10,000 per month. Actually, right now we're generating $800 per day, not in crypto. This is in another industry. But what we're going to be doing is taking the framework and exactly what I'm doing in that industry. We're going to copy it in this industry, and you're going to be able to copy every single move. So my goal is to help you make money like the crypto influencers make money. You see, they're able to mitigate a lot of their risk because they have affiliate links, because they make commissions off of the projects they get involved with. Also, if there's no affiliate link, a lot of times the owners, the developers of these projects actually pay them a fee to post and showcase their project on the influencer's channel. I want to give you guys that advantage. And if you guys have zero influence, you have zero knowledge about starting a YouTube channel in DeFi, maybe you're the average person, you don't even want to talk on video, you don't want to put your face on video, I'm going to allow you to copy my content so you could begin building a following in the crypto industry and do it fairly quickly. I have got people coming to me saying that I'm actually buying subscribers, that I've gone to like Fiverr or some cheap website and I'm buying cheap subscribers from some third world country. What they don't realize is I've been doing this for the past decade online. I know how to run, if I'm doing paid advertising, I know how to run YouTube ads. I know how to do organic methods. As a matter of fact, my other channel has over 100,000 subscribers up to this point. I know what I'm doing when it comes to generating a following and building a large audience and being able to make money from that audience that I build. So before we get into the action steps that for the people that want to take place in this case study series, where I'm going to show you exactly what to do to go from zero to making $10,000 per month consistently with crypto, I want to show you guys some more results. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over and I'm going to show you my primary channel. You guys can see right here, got my name right here, 107,000 subscribers, okay? And if you guys want to check out what I'm doing on this channel, you guys can feel free to jump over there and check this out as well. Okay, let's go ahead and show you guys some results from just the past roughly a month or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some income results. Now, just because I'm showing you guys these results doesn't guarantee that you're going to get these same results. It's all about consistency over a long period of time. But let me show you what I've been able to do from January to now February 12th. So what you're going to notice is that I've made money from multiple income streams since the beginning of January. And having multiple streams of income is the key to success. The cool thing about it is I'm not doing any extra work to create revenue from these multiple income streams. So we're going to show you the results, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to be duplicating this in the world of crypto. So let's jump to income stream number one. Since January, we've done, let's just add these numbers up, $72 here, plus 72, plus 216, that's 360 bucks. Plus $7,662 in this next income stream, plus $2,402, plus, and by the way, this is leveraging free advertising methods, plus $1,102 in this income stream, plus $594 here. If we scroll up a little bit, we've got another $468. And then we were just paid out, actually. We go to payments over here, $666 from the efforts, marketing efforts starting from January to now, today, February 12th. That gives us $13,254. We've also got this income stream here, which we've amassed $16,384. So let's go ahead and add that up, $16,384. You're noticing that some of these income streams were making more money than other income streams. So that puts us at $29,638. We've got one last income stream, which is going to be good old YouTube ad revenue. So if we go from the beginning of January, which we can just select 2023, we've done $2,937.51. So $29.37. That puts us at $32,575.84. And that's just part-time, you guys. So how would you like to copy this whole entire formula in the world of crypto and DeFi? Be able to earn commissions off of these different DeFi projects. So you too can be the influencer and start making money like an influencer does. So here's the idea. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to be creating a video series in the future that you're going to be able to copy. You're going to be able to download those videos. You're going to be able to upload those videos to your own crypto YouTube channel exactly the way that I show you, with your affiliate links in the description of your videos. That's going to be step one. Step two is we're going to create what's called a funnel. We're going to be creating a sales process, and I will give you guys visuals on this as we move on, but I'm just giving you guys kind of the overview. But we're going to be creating a funnel that's going to allow you to capture names and email addresses. So then you can follow up with those names and email addresses. I don't know if you've heard this before, but the money is in the list. If you look at these Fortune 500 companies, if you look at the most successful companies out there, they have large email lists. So whether you go to a department store or an online store, or even in some cases a grocery store, they will try to get your email address. So then they can market you different offers through email. And that's what we want to do. We want to have multiple touch points on social media as well as email marketing. So we're going to be building a YouTube channel. We're going to be building an email list. You're going to copy all of my assets. So every single day, you're going to log into this channel. You're going to go to the playlist section, and you're going to watch the next video in the series. And I will be releasing these videos day in and day out. Okay, some videos I'll release day 1, day 2, day 3. Some videos I might not release for a couple days. But the goal is at the end of this that you're making $10,000 per month in the world of crypto, understanding the risks, understanding the rewards, understanding that we may need to make some tweaks along the way. Some projects will stay. Some projects will come and leave. Some projects might last for a couple months. Some projects, heck, might last for a couple weeks. But the goal is at the end of this is to build an audience and build a following that you can bring new offers to, that you can help, and that you can be independent and create a business where you can travel the world. You can work from your laptop, and you can leverage my knowledge along with your own knowledge at some point, so you could take the baton and start creating your own videos. So you've probably heard the saying, feed a man a fish. Obviously feed him for a day. Or fish for a man, feed him for a day, right? Teach a man to fish, feed him for life. So what we want to do in the beginning is I want to feed you. I want to give you my exact assets so you can simply copy me. But in the long run, I want you to be able to be independent and learn from me, model me, and start branding yourself instead of branding me. Now, these videos, though, they will be faceless videos. So you will be able to brand yourself to a certain degree. But obviously, when you put a face to a name and a channel, that builds know, like, and trust. So at some point, we want to encourage you to go ahead and start doing things yourself. But in the beginning, to hit the ground running so you can start getting results fairly quickly, we're going to be allowing you to copy exactly what I'm doing. And this is something that's proven. It's something that's been proven in other industries, right? When you have franchises out there, you guys know different franchises, Firehouse Subs, McDonald's, they're everywhere, Wendy's. You've taken a proven model and now you've duplicated it across the world. And we want to do that here as well. I want to allow you to duplicate my results. You've seen what I've been able to do in other industries in a very short amount of time. And I want you guys to be able to duplicate that. So having said that, what you want to do in this video, video 1, is you want to go ahead, number 1, like the video, subscribe to this channel, and you must tick that bell icon. Ticking that bell icon will notify you when I upload new videos to the playlist. Also, again, you could just go to the link in the description and you can view this whole entire playlist that way as well. Okay, completely up to you. So what we want to do is first, as far as instructions are concerned, we want you to get signed up with CMB, which is Coin Market Bull. I'm not going to go into depth about this. There's going to be a link in the description that gives you a complete overview of this specific project. So the first goal is to get into CMB, make your first deposit, as long as you understand the risks. Again, anything in crypto can be here today, it can be gone tomorrow. So what I'm going to do personally is I'm going to make smaller deposits in the beginning and larger deposits as we move forward and get deeper into this. And what's going to help us do that is when we make smaller deposits in the beginning and we start building a team, we're going to earn commissions from that. And that's going to mitigate any costs and help us break even very, very quickly. Once we reach a break even point, we can then take, for example, half of our own money along with the affiliate commissions that we made, and we can begin to double down. So we're going to be starting with smaller deposits that build up to larger deposits over time. So I've got a deposit of $605 here just to start. Okay, so that's step 1, is to get into CMB. Step 2 is to get into MaxPred Technologies. Again, I made a $500 deposit into this specific project. To learn more about this project, again, there's going to be a link in the description below that will show you what it is, how to get involved, how to make a deposit, so on and so forth. So 3 instructions here, set of instructions. Instruction number 1 is to go ahead, subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon, and also make sure you're following the playlist below. Step number 2 is to jump into CMB. Step number 3 is to get into MaxPred Technologies. After you do that, in the next phase, we're going to start by getting a YouTube channel started for you. And then you're going to get access to a Google Drive. It's going to look something like this. You're going to be able to download all of my videos to your specific computer and then upload those videos to your channel. I'm going to show you exactly what to put the title, the description, and the tags. We're going to use some really cool AI technology, and you're going to be able to include your affiliate links in the description. It's going to be really, really cool. And if you stick with me for the next year, this can absolutely change your life, because not only are we going to help you make money in crypto, but we're going to teach you a skill set of marketing. It's going to be really, really cool. So if you made it up to this point, then congratulations, because you are on the path to success with DeFi and making money like the influencers do. So now that you understand the risks, the reward, if this is something that you want to go ahead and move forward with, all the instructions are below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.